This moment, we have a very, very serious matter going on in Abuja. Abuja is the capital of Nigeria in West Africa. We have a very serious matter because Nnamdi Kanu's court case is being heard today, and we all know the expectation that Mr. Nnamdi Kanu, the IPOB leader, is expected to be granted freedom, expected to be freed today. That is why we have been following on this matter going on in Nigeria. If you have been following our channel here in Noble Media, you know that our work is to give you the information as it is dropping. So in this video, we are just going to give you an update of what happened, what is happening. It's happening right now in Abuja at this very moment. Here is the news that you should know. As these things are unfolding, our work will be to bring it to you. What is going on with Nnamdi Kanu? Has he been freed? What is going on? The very moment the news drops here in Noble Media, you will get it. Now look at what is happening. A lawyer today in Abuja just spoke before the case started, and this is what he said. He said, all these are leading to what we are expecting, the eventual freedom of Nnamdi Kanu by Justice James C. Omotosho. That is what we are waiting to hear. Nnamdi Kanu paying for speaking truth to power. This lawyer, which we will say, is saying that when Nnamdi Kanu is going through all this ordeal, and I hope the world media is listening, I hope the world UN, all the world powers are listening. That is why in Noble Media, we must always say the truth. We stand for justice. If you have not subscribed right now, click on subscribe. A human rights lawyer, Christopher Chidera, says the continuous detention, human rights lawyers are people that knows the rights. You know, most times Nigeria has failed in multiple cases to uphold the rights, the human rights of its citizens. A human rights lawyer, Christopher Chidera, says the continued detention of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, is not legally justified. It's not legally justified. So there is no basis, no justification to continue holding this man, but rather a consequence of his outspoken criticism of the Nigerian government. This man is saying why they are holding him is because he has kept saying Nnamdi Kanu was outspoken, saying the wrong things, the bad things, like this Fulani men killing our women, dismembering our mothers, raping innocent girls, and all the rest. So he's saying that the reason for the continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu is that he is exposing the fraudulent activities being carried on by the leaders of Nigeria, those elected to protect the people, instead of protecting them, are involved in organized crime. And then Nnamdi Kanu has been saying about it, talking about it fearlessly, courageously. It's not legally justified, but rather a consequence of his outspoken criticism of the Nigerian government. Chidera, who stated this while addressing journalists in Abuja this morning, today, because our work as journalists, even though they are preventing journalists from covering the event, but our work as a media house is as much as we can find out, as much interviews as we can get, to be giving it, to be feeding it to you as it is happening. Even any moment that the Justice Omotosho says something, we here in Noble Media feed you the information. So just subscribe and keep on. And if you are one of those that expect Nnamdi Kanu to be free today, please come under the comment of this video and type free Nnamdi Kanu today. Hashtag free Nnamdi Kanu. Hashtag, we want it to trend. We want at least 1,000 people that wants Nnamdi Kanu to be free to come under this particular video to type free Nnamdi Kanu immediately, or free Nnamdi Kanu today, or free Nnamdi Kanu now. These things will go a long way. Chidera, who stated this while addressing journalists in Abuja, described Kanu's prolonged detention as punishment for speaking truth to power, stating that there is no cogent legal basis for his imprisonment. Even Peter Obi has said that it is unreasonable to keep holding Nnamdi Kanu, and this lawyer now is saying that there is no cogent reason. There is almost nothing the federal government, the Nigerian government, can hold on to. There is no concrete. Look at the Boko Haram people that are killing people, they are not being heard in court. The Fulani herdsmen are moving about, raping our virgins, raping our girls, killing farmers, and some of them that are caught are released. Some are even given money, rehabilitated, embraced into the Nigerian army and all the rest. And the man that you don't have any business holding, you don't have any cogent reason to hold him, they have been prolonging his case. But today in Abuja, we're expecting that justice will be done. That's why we need to be online. We need to, if you are not in Abuja, come online. If you're on Twitter, if you're on Facebook, if you're on Instagram, keep talking about it, keep lending your own voice, because together we can make the right things to be done. According to him, Kanu's detention is part of a broader effort to diminish his influence among the Igbo people. But we must commend the IPOB family, we must commend the followers of Nnamdi Kanu, who has refused to be bought over, who has remained strong, who has been talking about it. People like lawyer Jumako, people like Nnamdi Kanu's brother, people like a more powerful that has remained strong in this struggle. They went to Kenya, they got justice for Nnamdi Kanu. Now they are in Nigeria today, and we're expecting that justice will be gotten. The government has yet to bring charges against Nnamdi Kanu for alleging that former President Muhammadu Buhari had died. You know, one of the pivotal things that shook the world is that Nnamdi Kanu said that Muhammadu Buhari has died in 2017, long ago. Until today, the government has not pressed any charge against him on that very matter, because he had his evidences. And why didn't the government say, okay, give us the evidence? They are afraid, they are dodging that side. He has claimed many dismiss as propaganda. A claim okay, look at this again. The government has yet to bring charges against Kanu for alleging that former President Muhammadu Buhari had died. A claim many dismiss as propaganda. If he is spreading such outrageous falsehood, why hasn't he been charged for misinformation? Why is the Nigerian government dodging this side? They don't understand that Nnamdi Kanu doesn't need propaganda to win the loyalty of his people. He's not like many Nigerian politicians that engage in propaganda and all the rest. Kanu knows what he's pursuing, and he has remained true to it, whether he is in prison, whether he is out of prison, whether he is in Nigeria, whether he is out of Nigeria, whether on Radio Biafra, whether in his personal engagement, personal brokers. He had remained resolute and clear about what he wants for his people. They don't understand that Nnamdi Kanu doesn't need propaganda to win the loyalty of his people. He has the truth, he has consistency, and he has suffered more in pursuit of freedom than all of them combined together, this lawyer said today. So, the legal luminary, that is the lawyer, also appealed to Africans to embrace unity and cultivate critical thinking. One of the things that is affecting us is that we don't think, we don't reason critically, we are too emotional. We don't bring down facts and look at it. We don't scrutinize our leaders. We don't bring our leaders to book. We don't talk against them. We may fight against ourselves, but when the leaders are dealing with the followers, we don't come out to criticize them. We are not bold. Most of our people are afraid. We can fight against ourselves, but we don't fight against our common enemy. We don't speak any normal thing. We are afraid. We are afraid to die. We are afraid to be arrested. We are afraid to go to court. This fear is a problem in Africa, and that's why we are still under several dictators like the presidents we have had in Nigeria and all the rest. The legal remainder also appeal to Africans to embrace unity and cultivate critical thinking, blaming mental complacency, not colonialism, for the continent's lingering struggle. Even though there are reasons to, we could blame Britain, we could blame Portugal, we could blame all these colonial masters, but these are many years since they left. What stops us from waking up? What stops Africa from saying enough is enough? Remember to come under the comment of this video and type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today, or type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu immediately, or type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now. It is not just enough for you to type it. Whether you have typed it before, please keep talking about it. Please invite your friends, your fans, your followers, your family, everybody connected to you that is a lover of freedom, that stands for justice, that is fearless, to come under this video, this particular video here on this channel, and type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. About 1,000 signatures. We want to get 1,000 persons signing that petition under this video right now, as the case is going on right now. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu right now. Africa's biggest cause isn't colonialism, it is our refusal to think. Until black Africans learn to reason critically, challenge authority. Yes, Kanu is there because he is challenging the authority. Whether you are in the media space, like those of us that are in the media space, we must be bold. Whether you are anywhere you are, just do the little you can do. Do the little, whether as a teacher, a business person, a journalist like us, anywhere you are, do the little you can do. And demand evidence over emotion. We will remain trapped, not by foreign hands, but by our own mental laziness. So everybody wake up. Today is the day. Today is the day we expect the leader of the IPOB family to be free, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, the leader of many lovers of justice, many lovers of freedom, the courageous man. Today in Abuja, we in Noble Media are following it. We are looking at it. We'll be giving you, just focus on this page. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Type the comment free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Like this video right now. Like this video. And remember to share this video. Share it here on YouTube. Copy the link. Share it on WhatsApp groups, everywhere, on WhatsApp groups, on WhatsApp pages, on Facebook groups, Facebook pages, on Telegram channels. Share it across board. Share it to your friends. Let everybody come know what is happening. Come under this video and type free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu right now. Remember to subscribe, to like this video, to share it. If you have not subscribed, do it now. There is an important video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.